Hi, tech lovers! Welcome back to Budget Buying. In today's video, we're exploring the best portable mini PC available right now. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Ace Magic S3A. Let's get started. Product feature. Powered by the AMD Zen 3 Ryzen 7 5700U, this PC offers a massive jump in speed and efficiency compared to older models, making your daily tasks feel effortless and incredibly fast. With an integrated AMD Radeon 8-core GPU running at 1900 MHz, you get smooth, beautiful graphics that bring your favorite games and creative projects to life with stunning detail. Never feel stuck with slow storage. The rapid upgrade design lets you expand memory and storage in just 1 minute, giving you all the space you need for your growing digital life. Stay connected with blazing fast Wi-Fi technology that is 3 times faster than Wi-Fi 5, plus seamless Bluetooth for all your favorite wireless headsets and accessories. Enjoy a breathtaking visual experience with support for 4K resolution at 60 Hz and multi-screen setups, creating a workspace or entertainment hub that is truly immersive. Tailor your power with adjustable performance settings, allowing the AMD Radeon graphics to balance energy efficiency with the raw power you need for demanding software. It's a gaming powerhouse in your pocket, running titles like Fortnite and GTA 5 with high frame rates, so you can enjoy competitive play wherever you choose to set up. Pros. What makes this little device so special is how it truly fits into your lifestyle. It's rare to find such a tiny machine that doesn't force you to compromise on power or speed. The ability to upgrade your storage in seconds feels like a breath of fresh air, giving you peace of mind that this investment will grow with your needs. It's reliable, quiet, and surprisingly capable. Cons. While it's a dream for most tasks, very high-end professional video editing might push its limits compared to a full-sized desktop. Also, because it's so compact, you'll want to ensure it has a bit of breathing room on your desk to keep it running at its absolute coolest during those long, intense gaming sessions. Final thoughts. Imagine having a world of possibilities tucked right inside your bag. The way this device balances raw performance with a design that actually cares about your convenience is truly impressive. It's about more than just specs. It's about giving you the freedom to create, play, and work from anywhere without feeling held back. You deserve technology that works as hard as you do. This little powerhouse is ready to change your setup. Check the price link in the description to see it for yourself. Subscribe to Budget Buying and like this video to stay updated on all the best tech finds. See you in the next one.